Hey guys, Bubbles here. I'm gonna do a little taste test of one of the food items that I got, or a food item that I got, and I'm gonna have it for dinner. So this is from King Noodle, and I never been to King Noodle before, so today was my first. So I got like simple thing. I got like curry chicken with rice, and I said like medium spicy. Yeah. This is what it looks like. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Now let's see. I'm just gonna hold it like that. Okay, let's taste the rice. Pretty good. Taste the curry with the rice. Pretty good actually. Now chicken. Okay. Chicken's pretty good. I'll give it like a 8 out of 10. Yeah. And this vegetable, I think there's onion, I think. That's cool. Carrots. Carrot is good. Okay. Let's taste it all together, shall we? Chicken and then rice with curry. That's also a good combination. I would give it like all together, I don't know actually, 8.5 out of 10. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat this slowly. Next time I'm gonna get the pad thai. Yeah. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you like me to do, and let me know what restaurants you want me to try. And thank you. I love you, and bye.